in total, and we're talking about the Eagle mining network and what it is and how come I've been mining it since around March. So why I think it's valuable in the future and those sort of things. So the Eagle mining token itself isn't actually worth anything. So when you're farming this, you're hoping that they actually do something in the future. In the case of Eagle, the mining network had a roadmap, a 1-year roadmap, where they complete everything they want to do, their blockchain and everything in 1 year. That's why I kind of like the project. If they do everything on the roadmap in 1 year and they get everything done, I think these coins could be worth something. But if they don't complete their roadmap and it gets delayed or something, then I'm not too sure if these will be worth anything. I'm stacking up, it's all free. They have on their main website is listing the statistics and things like that, what you can do. The white paper explains what they want to accomplish. Their unique feature is their mining app, right? You can mine with a phone or any device, right? And then you can use these coins you mined on the network. That's their unique feature. Other than that, it's like a regular, they want like a regular DeFi integration in their own Eagle network. That's what's called Eagle network. They want Eagle network and people to run the network. They have like a roadmap right here, and you can see where they have the different things they want to do. Right now, we are currently in, so you can see they have the roadmap of the stuff that they want to do. This is what I'm talking about. If they do everything in their roadmap, it's supposed to be a 1-year roadmap. They do everything on the 1-year roadmap, then I'm pretty sure it'll be successful. But if not, I'm not really sure it's going to happen. But anyways, this part is phase 1. So we did phase 1 already, which is just the app. Right now on phase 2, which is transfer testing, KYC, helping, and bringing it over to the Binance Smart Chain. So they're going to take your earnings and supposedly have them on the PancakeSwap Binance Smart Chain for exchanging. And in the future, they're working on blockchain, so their EO network blockchain. And then it has some other things, listings, staking. And last part is obviously the DeFi aspect. It's partnerships, the blockchain, of course, and the DeFi apps. So if they do this part all the way up to here in 1 year, that's going to be pretty nice. Other than that, there's another similar project, the Ego network called the Pi network. But actually, I used to do this one a little while ago when it came out, but I stopped and transitioned over to the Ego network because I found the Pi network, they were around for a long time, but they weren't doing anything up until like this year when they started to announce things after the crypto market started to pick up, and all of a sudden they started announcing stuff. I wasn't interested in this project anymore. Not interested in the Eagle mining network. And I hope this one will do well. That's it. Anyways, this is a completely free app. You can try it out. I've been stacking them since March. I'm just going to keep stacking them up and see if this thing is worth anything in the future. Anyways, thanks for watching.